Welcome to Trendex Training. In this session, you will learn how to process electronic credit card transactions from within the Trendex system. First of all, we need to make sure that your customer's profile is set up to make automatic credit card payments. Do this by going to the Accounts Receivable Customer Maintenance menu. Enter or call up the customer number, for example 40285. Once there, click on the Additional Data tab, and then check the box next to Electronic Automatic Credit Card Payment, and then choose either the Daily Payment or Monthly Payment option. Then click on Save at the top left of the screen. Then go to Customer Maintenance. Customer Electronic Credit Card Entry. Then navigate to Electronic Customer Credit Card Maintenance. From here, you can begin entering the customer's credit card information. Enter or call up the customer number, for example 40285. If you're adding a new card, leave the Vault ID blank and click Go. A browser window will open for you to input the credit card details. Here, enter the credit card nickname, customer name, and other required fields. You'll also choose whether this card will be used for a one-time payment, that's for virtual credit cards, or if it should be saved for automatic future payments. Click Save to store the information in the Electronic Customer Credit Card Maintenance program. This card will now be available for future payments. After saving, click Next, then select Exit to close the program. Next, go to Electronic Credit Card Cash Receipts. Call up the customer number, select the Vault ID, and click Accept. The system will show all pending invoices for that customer. You can choose to pay a single invoice or click on the bottom left of your screen on the Pay All Invoices button. Once you've made your selection, you can click on the Charge button on the top left of your screen. A pop-up message will appear saying, "Transaction successful." In order to send receipts to your customers for their credit card transactions, just click on the Electronic Credit Card Receipts report. Then, either choose a specific customer or run the report for all clients. You can print preview to verify your report, or simply click Print, and it will send an email with the payment receipts for all transactions processed by the Cash Receipts program. To verify the payments, go to Electronic Card Receipts Payments Inquiry. Here, you can review all the processed payments. If needed, you can also email or print the details for record keeping. You can double-check in the customer account inquiry as well. Just call up the customer number and you'll see all the invoices that were paid, each with a check number listed. If a credit card needs to be deleted, go back to Electronic Customer Credit Card Maintenance. Enter or call up the customer number again. Then select the vault number and click Delete Credit Card at the top. And that's it for processing regular invoices. Now let's move on to counter sales. First, go to Counter Sales Entry. Call up the customer number and add the products to the order. Then, from the Payment tab, click on Credit Card Payment. A browser window will open. Enter the card details and click Pay. Hit OK in Trendex to confirm. The system will generate a transaction ID with a status of Authorized or Approved. Once that appears, you can save or print the transaction. If the invoice hasn't been printed yet, go to Counter Sales Print to print it. After printing, we'll move on to update the journal. Go to Sales Journal, Print. Once everything has been verified in the GL, update the journal. At this point, the invoices have been posted. You can confirm them again in the Customer Account Inquiry. Now, let's accept the payment officially. Navigate to Accounts Receivable, Customer Deposits Entry, Counter Sales Cash Receipts. Select the payment type and bank code. Click Accept and then Save. Finally, print and update the cash receipts journal. When you return to the customer account inquiry, the invoice details should now show as Paid by MasterCard. And that's how you process electronic credit card transactions for both regular invoices and counter sales. Follow these steps carefully to make sure every payment is recorded accurately and securely. Thank you for watching this training video.